Hey guys, so I have a vacuum here, which I think works, but I'll show you this one real quick. This piece, and that's dangerous. So what I'm gonna do is put in the corn, but before I do that, I'm gonna cut this up real quick. Hang on. That there is pretty much trash. I don't know. There it is. So before I do this, let's see here. I wanna test this corn first because I don't know. This, yeah. See if it's worth putting in the corn. Look, I put this. Get it. Let's do this first. Hang on. Show me how you paint this. Okay, so I'm gonna test this code if I with my time from the corn, because I have to get in the patch. Yeah. See here, just a cool piece. It's cool. Okay, I'm gonna show you this for you guys. It'll be easier. To put in the corn, I'm gonna do that thick of them. Very happy with bags. Done. Hello, guys. I don't mind backing. Okay, what I'm gonna do is this. So then I already know what we do. And I'm gonna vacuum that out real quick. And then I'm gonna see there. I don't want to second do it. Okay. So first. That's one. I have a new one of these. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not. I don't know yet. Let's see. What's up, Johnny? So down there I need. Okay. Is this thing American? Yeah. Someone's buying this and some people don't have. I'm not using this. I don't ever use my screwdriver, right? I always use my drill. But for me to test this code to see this works, I'm just gonna do this because it's able to do this. Because if I turn it on, I'm gonna put your photo. I'm gonna put if it turns on by my test code, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the corn. If it don't work, I'm gonna wait and get patch first. Like this. I do this for a while, guys. I'm used to it. Takes practice, but I'm used to it. Don't move. Because that other switch that's on this is now I'm about to put it in. So I'm gonna do my test pop code. What's it say? Sorry guys, so I'll pick the code. I don't vacuum cut for I'm time to use them. Let's see here. Now these here I got Hoover machines, and Hoovers, the black is the purple one on Hoover vacuums. And Corby vacuums, the Corby be like brown. So the brown and Corby's are the black flowers. Not all vacuums have the same flower. It's kind of stupid, I think, but it's whatever, I guess. Why did I do that? Come off. I'm sucking. Test the code. Get it. Okay, we need my testing code. This should work, but I'm gonna test it out, see what it does. This is What's up? Yep. Perfect. That's the. So I don't know I think I'm done. That was clean. So I don't know that does work. So that's a plus. Now I can put the vacuum corners. I know it works. Because they had this piece. So perfect. Okay, guys. Now, I'm trying to do Carmen's vacuum. Sunday. Probably Sunday. So I need, let's see here. Let's remember, Hoover vacuums like this. The purple is black. Okay? I don't want to tell you that it's not. I don't want to do pictures of a piece of part with like, well, it only has this chunk, but it has that. How does this work? It's because these machines use purple instead of black. That's how though. See here. Take this on. They have to put I don't know how I need. Okay, so they also put that stupid black tape on this too. Thinking that would fix the machine. Because I'm guessing this piece here is probably what's wrong. It's probably this piece. I don't know if I want this on the dry. That's probably the fabulous book. It was that piece. That's what they turn on. But now I am off with the handle. So once I get a handle, see here, I will sorry guys, I hope I do this right. Am I back? Am I? Nope. have to move this backwards. I made a two machine vacuum. This is totally right, isn't it? No. I made a two machine vacuum. This today. Took two commercial vacuums again. Made one big one. I actually just threw this rubber piece in the garbage. Okay. I don't know how maybe I am getting it backwards. Am I? No, guys. Look. I mean, if it fits like this. Nope. Alright. You got me on this. When I got this machine, they were like, well, this is the vacuum shop. I said that. Well, I told you right now, the vacuum shop here in town will not put a twist piece on the machines. They will put a new core on a new switch. They don't put that kind of stuff on the vacuums. That do you know for a fact. See, I need to do it. Aha! There goes. Perfect. Let's see here. Yeah, Kirby's have new kind brown rubber for the machines. But these vacuums have purple rubber for the machines. Let's see, I need to put a screw in. I probably put a whole new power brush on this machine too. Put that one in the garbage. If I have a handle for this. Let me see if I can get them. Let me see if I have a handle. So I have. One of these. One of those. I don't think I have a handle. So I can put this in the garbage. But that's what I do. I missed the trash can. Oops. So that's off. That's not off. It's on. I know for a fact it's supposed to clean but the vacuum stop. People just want it as a service to mean it's clean, but it's not, because the vac stop will not the vac stop will not do this like this. Not doing no. See, am I going to clean? How many times I'm going? I can't get it. The next one goes taped up. That's what I think. I'll just do that for right now. I'm gonna put this rack. See if I can. I'm back in this device, could I? I need to use this rack. Gets. Hello. Let's see. Try to ruin my cool piece. If you put them to far away. I put that piece on. Let's see here. I got a whole new power pick. Just do this quickly because if I get the new part, I'm not gonna worry about it. Doing that. That's much, bro. Whoops. Put that piece on like this. This piece.